Hi guys, how are you?
Hi ma'am, fine, thank you.
Okay. In previous session, we have learned some trigonometric
Identities.
identities. Now we are going to solve some more problems based on trigonometric identities. Can you say what are the identities are there?
3. Sin
Three are
square
there.
x.
One is sin square x or sin square theta or sin square something, whatever it is, plus cos square theta is equal to 1.
One.
Means sin square of any angle, cos square of the same angle, it should be is equal to 1. Next, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square. Third one, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. These three we learned. I write here. Okay, sin square x. In different angles, why I am writing means you will be used to it. That's why. If not, if x is there, then only you can do. Theta also one of the angle. Alpha. So many angles are there. We can write anything. So instead of x, I had it and then theta. Now I am writing x. Okay. From this we can get two more identities. What it is, if it goes like this, what happens? 1 minus cos square x. Okay. In the same way, cos square x is equal to 1 minus, can we
Sin
write like
square
this?
x. Yes.
How it came, do you know? Sin square x. I just took this one outside of the equal sign. And cos square x, I just kept here itself, and sin square x went that side. So 3 we got. From one equation, we could make two more equations. Second one, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. I am taking tan square that side. Secant square theta minus tan square theta. Can we write like this? Yeah. One more thing you can write. Tan square theta. Keep it here itself. 1 is going that side. Minus 1. Why I am writing in this way means while doing problems, you have to utilize everything. That's why. Sometimes cos square x is there, then you have to change it as 1 minus sin square. If not, 1 minus sin square x is there, you have to change it as cos square x. That's why I am writing all these things. Okay. The next one is 1 plus cot square x is equal to cot square alpha I am writing. Cosec square
Secant square alpha.
Cosec square alpha minus cot square alpha
Is equal to 1.
Now cot square alpha I am just keeping here only. I am sending 1 that side. Minus 1. The other one is what?
Cosecant.
Yeah, cot square x that side. I have sent this one.
Minus
Cot square, what it is?
1.
Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. How many we could make? 9 formulae are there. Actually, you have learned only 3. But from each and every identity, we could write 2 more identities. So, including all 9 identities have come. Okay. Now we are going to work on these identities. How to solve some more problems I am going to teach here. In 11.4 exercise number, first one. We have to evaluate given equation. We'll see how it will be. First, we have to take LHS. There is no RHS, so we have to just write like this. Tan theta plus secant theta. 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. If you come across such type of problems, what you have to do? If it is trigonometry, you have to look at the problem first. And can you make in identities or complementary angles or ratios? We have to use each and everything. Here I am using trigonometric ratios. Very easy to solve. 1 plus tan theta, you know, sin theta by
Cos theta.
cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Secant theta, reciprocal of cos theta. Next, cot theta,
1 by tan.
cos theta by
Sin.
sin theta. Next, cosec theta, reciprocal of sin theta. Do you remember all these things? At the first class, I had told all these things.
Yeah.
So I am just writing each and everything by using trigonometric ratios in another form of the ratios. Okay. Secant means 1 by cos theta. 1 plus cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta. You have to take LCM. If it is like that, can't do anything. Take LCM. Here cos theta, here cos theta. Multiple by cos theta into cos theta. You know this one. You have done lot of problems. Plus sin theta plus 1 into here LCM will be sin theta. When you multiply it by sin theta, this is equal to the LCM. So 1 into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay. See here, cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta. Both are same. When you add 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3, same answer you will get. So I am putting bracket here because these both are same. Then how it look like? Can you see how it look like? One formula is there. If it is A, cos theta plus sin theta is equal to A. Let it be like that. Shall I write here? Cos theta plus sin theta is equal to A. 1 is equal to B. Then what happens? How it is?
A plus B into A minus B.
Very good. A plus B into
A minus
A minus B. What is the formula for A plus B into A minus B?
A square minus B square.
Very good. It look like A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. Instead of A, cos theta plus sin theta, not only cos theta. Got it? Instead of B, only 1 is there. Okay? I am going to write simply A square. A square means cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Or sin theta plus cos theta, whatever it is. A square minus B square. B square means 1 square. By, I multiply numerators. Now denominators. Cos theta into sin theta is cos theta into sin theta as it is. Why I had written? Do you know? Cos theta plus sin theta. Cos theta plus sin theta is there. That's why this is A. I just deviated these 3 terms in like 2 terms. So when I made cos theta plus sin theta is one term and 1 will be the other term b. So a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 square. If you want I write that one also. Cos theta plus sin theta, it look like a plus b whole square. Then what is the formula? A square plus
2ab
2
cos
into
theta.
a means
Cos theta.
cos theta into b means
Sin
sin
theta.
theta by minus 1 is there or not?
Yes.
Plus sin square theta also I have to write now?
Yes.
Okay, I will write all these terms here. I write here, okay? Cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 square by cos theta into sin theta. This is again a plus b whole square formula. Here cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus sin square theta minus 1 square means 1 by cos theta sin theta. Any doubt?
No.
Now we are using trigonometric identities. Here where is the identity? Here cos square theta is here, sin square theta is here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We have proven already in previous class. So I am writing these both together. Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by cos theta and okay sin theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to
1.
1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta cos theta or cos theta sin theta. Anything you can write. Okay, you may get confused. So I am writing cos theta sin theta. Actually sin theta multiplication 3 into 4, 4 into 3 same. What we had used here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This identity we used here. See, plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. This is going to be 2 sin theta cos theta by
Cos theta sin theta.
cos theta and sin theta. Cos theta gets cancelled. The answer will be 2.
2.
What is the answer?
2.
2. Evaluate. After evaluating, what will be the answer?
2.
2 is the answer. Okay, any doubt?
No.
It looked like big one, but we just, here we had done only tan theta in terms of sin theta cos theta. After that, just simplify. It looked like big one, but not that much big. Actually, simply, just sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Only that identity we had used here. Okay, the next one more problem I am writing here. Okay, look at it. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Very easy now. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. You know a plus b whole square formula. What is a plus b whole square formula?
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Yeah, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square, instead of a what is there? Sin square theta plus 2 into sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta, okay? Plus sin is there. sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Shall I write here? Plus sin square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. Any doubt?
No.
A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square I have written. Simply. Now come to the point. Here plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos. Can we cancel this both? Over. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta plus
Cos square theta.
you can write 2 sin square theta plus 2 cos square theta, 2 as common, all those things also you can do. Simply here also you can write. Okay? Sin square theta plus cos square theta, one of the identity. Let me know what it is of
1.
is equal to 1. Whenever formula is there, you just put into square or rectangle box, make it as a box. Yeah. Sin square is 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. The other way also you can do. We have this formula. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. 2 into, do you have or not?
A square plus b square.
A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal. So simply you can write 2 into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Then 2 into 1 going to be 2. That is actually easy if you have used this formula better. But purposely I had to teach in such a way, because if you don't know this formula almost all the students have known. That's why I am teaching in this way. Okay. Now third one. Secant square theta minus 1. Do you have formula for this or not?
Yeah.
In 3 formulae. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, this is one of the identity. Okay. This one I am sending that side. What happens then? Tan square theta is equal to?
Secant square theta minus 1.
Okay. In the same way, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Now, cot square theta is equal to minus 1. Now, I am using these two identities. Okay. Secant square theta minus 1. Instead of that, what I am going to write? Let me know. Tan square theta. This is going to be tan square theta. Cosec minus cot. Cosec square theta minus 1 is going to be cot square theta. Tan square theta into cot theta means reciprocal of tan theta.
Tan
Is equal to 1. Since cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. We applied this formula here. Here we applied these formulas. These two identities you have to write. It is compulsory put like this. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
This is third one. First problem over. Next, second problem. Get into the second problem. Almost all the identities came, I think so. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. At the first problem we had written that one. And now 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, okay, 1 plus cot square, and tan square is equal to secant square minus 1, all those things we had written. Now going to be solve this one. Okay, show that cosec theta minus one minus cos theta RHS if such type of problems are given to you, you have to take LHS and prove RHS, or else you can take RHS and you can prove LHS also. Usually for 10th class, most of the problems you have to take LHS. Okay, given. What is given? Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. You have to prove 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. In that right side, almost all are okay. One is constant, leave it. Cos thetas are there. So change these two trigonometric ratios in terms of cos theta. How to write? Cosec means actually what? 1 by sin theta. Cot theta means
Cos
theta by
sin theta.
sin theta. Now sin theta is LCM. 1 minus cos theta whole square is there. Almost 1 minus cos theta came. Any doubt? Cosec
Sin square theta. In
here
the
given.
denominator.
Denominator. Okay. Whole square. 1 minus cos theta came. But here sin theta is there. You have to make this sin theta 1 plus cos theta. How to make it? I am writing 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. Now I am writing like this. Trigonometric identities you know. One of the identity relative to this one. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to
1.
1. But all cos thetas are there. Sin theta is not there. So you have to change this sin theta in terms of cos theta. Means what happens? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus.
Cos square theta.
So instead of sin square theta, what to write?
1 minus
1 minus cos square
theta.
theta. Again what to do? Think of it. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos square theta is there. How to change? If it is 1 square, what happens? A
plus
square minus b square.
A plus b into a minus.
Yeah, very good. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is a square, let it be, this is b square. So, here I am writing. A square minus 1 minus cos theta whole square by a square minus b square. A plus b means what? 1 plus cos theta into. Any doubt you have here? Now 1 minus cos theta whole square and 1 minus cos theta. These all are here multiplying. Then what will be the answer?
1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta.
Yeah, 1 minus cos theta by. This is what RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to
RHS.
you have to write. Whenever such type of problems are given to you, it should be solved in this manner. How many formulae we used here? Just from trigonometric ratios 1 minus r 1 by sin theta and cos theta by sin theta. After that again from sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta. Next a plus b into a minus b. See how it is very easy if you had known identities and formulae. Okay. Okay, third one. Under root 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to secant a plus tan a. Once look at it. At any way we have to take LHS. What is LHS? 1 plus
Sin A
by
1 minus sin A.
root is there. What it is? Secant A plus tan A. How to change? Secant A means what? 1 by cos A.
Cos.
Tan A means sin A
Sin.
by cos A.
Cos.
Means in denominator what is there? This is 1 by cos A. This is sin A by cos A. In this way. If you observe the denominator, what is the trigonometric ratio in the
Cos.
denominator? Cos A is there. To make 1 minus sin A as cos A, what to do? From trigonometric identities we have.
Sin square A plus cos
Yeah, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to.
square 1.
Okay, I am writing here A. Better. Okay. Cos square A we need. Means 1 minus.
Sin square A.
Can we make this one as 1 minus sin square A? What to do? By multiplying 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. Then what happens? A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. 1 minus sin square A will come. But we should not change the problem. So, what had written in denominator, in numerator also you should write the same term. 1 plus sin A. I am writing. Multiply and divide by 1 plus sin A. Okay, what we had done, that I am writing. Now what happens, you see? This is 1 plus sin A, this is also 1 plus sin A. Means 1 plus sin A
Whole square.
whole square under root by
1 minus
1 minus sin square A. A plus b into a minus b. Shall I write here? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. That formula also we used here. 1 plus sin A whole square and root is there. You know. Square is there, root is there, square and root.
Get cancelled.
Yeah, get cancelled. 1 minus sin square A means what?
Cos square A.
Cos square A. First I write like this, after that you can cancel. Okay, once. Cos square A. At once I am just cancelling both. Now can I write like this? 1 plus sin A by
Cos A.
cos A. Came now? Now I am writing. But here it is given secant A plus tan. If you stop up to here, you will not get marks. Further, just till the answer comes, you have to solve the problem. Simplify, that's all. 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Separately I am writing, that's all. 1 by cos A means
Secant A.
secant A plus sin A by cos A,
Tan A.
tan A. RHS. Came or not?
Yeah.
Therefore, we have taken LHS and we proven that RHS. Wow. Any doubt?
No.
Very easy, no? So, all the trigonometric ratios, identities, you must know.
Yes.
cos square 1 minus sin square 1 minus cos square, all those things you must know. Okay, so far we just we worked on trigonometric identities, how these are changing. Simply sin square theta plus cos square theta is one, not like that. We are changing all these in terms of what they had asked from right side. We have taken left and we have proven right side. Okay. Okay guys, some more problems are there. Next session we can discuss about.